Grasshoppers are an invasive species, with their numbers far surpassing the human population. However, instead of eradicating them as a threat, China has chosen a bold approach by turning them into a billion-dollar industry. China is currently stockpiling around 500 million grasshoppers annually to meet the demands of a global consumption market that has exceeded 1,000 tons. So, how did the Chinese manage to do this? Let's join Noel and explore this journey today. After being released into the enclosures, the grasshoppers are monitored and selectively allowed to mate naturally. After about 30 to 35 days, the adult grasshoppers begin reproducing, with the females using their ovipositors to dig holes in the soil for laying eggs. The reproduction and egg incubation process is tightly controlled, with the breeders and eggs subsequently distributed evenly into separate enclosures to ensure stable rearing conditions, uniform growth, and optimized development rates. During the adult stage, grasshoppers are fed continuously and intensively, especially before and after each molting phase. Their bodies require a high amount of nutrients to regenerate the exoskeleton and complete the development of various body parts. Thanks to their strong digestive ability and rapid growth rate, grasshoppers develop steadily through each stage and reach full adult size after just a few weeks of rearing. Grasshoppers are harvested when they are fully mature, with bodies measuring 4 to 6 centimeters in length, fully developed wings, and optimal firmness. The ideal time for harvesting is in the evening, when the grasshoppers are less active and remain still on the nets or enclosure walls, making the collection process easier and more efficient. In China and many Southeast Asian countries, grasshoppers are not only farmed as food, but have also become key ingredients in a variety of distinctive dishes. They are prepared in many ways: deep-fried, stir-fried with lime leaves, seasoned, or roasted with salt, tailored to local tastes and traditional culinary styles. Once considered an agricultural pest, grasshoppers have gradually established their place in the new food value chain, rich in protein and environmentally friendly, thanks to a simple, low-cost farming model. Welcome to the land of culinary masterpieces, where each cured ham is crafted like a true work of art. This delicacy stands out for its rich aroma, enticing savory flavor, and melt-in-your-mouth texture. Many are amazed by the immense economic value it brings. In 2024, a premium cured ham can sell for up to $3,000, while global production reaches tens of millions of units annually. Right now, follow Knoll Farm as we unveil the fascinating, centuries-old journey behind the creation of these exquisite culinary treasures. The pigs live in a semi-wild environment known as the dehesa, a natural pasture forest ecosystem, where they roam freely and forage on a diet rich in acorns and wild herbs, greatly contributing to the exceptional quality of the meat. This natural ecosystem spans approximately 7.4 million acres across southwestern Spain and Portugal, beautifully dotted with holm oaks and cork oaks. The ham is cured for about 2 weeks in a cold room, where the temperature is kept below 3 degrees Celsius, 37.4 degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity remains above 90%, allowing the salt to penetrate evenly without drying out the meat's surface. The ham is hung upside down for about 90 days, during which humidity gradually decreases and temperature slowly rises, allowing the meat to breathe and further develop its flavor. Only hams that meet strict quality standards are branded with a heat-stamped seal directly onto the surface of the meat. This official mark clearly indicates the origin, production date, and certified producer, serving as a guarantee of authenticity and traceability for every piece. For the sliced product line, the ham is gently pressed into molds to create a uniform shape, allowing machines to cut it into thin, even slices. Once the ham is set into shape, it is slightly chilled to enhance firmness, allowing industrial slicers equipped with ultra-sharp blades to cut ultra-thin slices as fine as 0.5 millimeters without tearing or crumbling. Salt-cured sausages are also among the most sought-after delicacies on the market. Renowned for their intense flavor, firm texture, and artisanal craftsmanship, these sausages are often aged for weeks or even months. The choice of casing, whether natural or synthetic, affects not only appearance, but also texture, flavor, and drying time. These sausages are then smoked in enclosed curing chambers, where gentle heat and aromatic wood smoke both sterilize and infuse them with their distinctive flavor. slice of meat offers not only a savory, buttery richness, but also exudes the luxurious flavor profile characteristic of Western European cuisine. These are not merely foods to be eaten. They are experiences of refinement and class, distilled through time. As this journey comes to an end, we witness not only the strict production process, but also the passion and artistry infused into every slice, elements that have helped cement European cuisine's global reputation.